Today I want to make cream cheese buns. For this bun we need all-purpose flour, fresh milk, egg, cream cheese, butter, salt, sugar, instant dry yeast. First mix cream cheese with sugar. Then you add fresh milk and egg and mix well with the whisk. Then add all-purpose flour, salt, and instant dry yeast and mix with spatula until you can get the form of the dough. Then cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you open the kitchen towel and you add butter into the dough and you mix with your hand. Transfer the dough on the silicone mat and you knead the dough about 10 minutes until smooth. If the dough too sticky, you can add flour to handle the sticky dough. Make the dough into a ball and transfer into the bowl. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, open the kitchen towel and punch the dough. Make the dough flat and divide into 9 pieces. Make every pieces into a ball. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you open the kitchen towel and knead the dough and make it into a ball again. Transfer the dough into the prepared baking pan. I use 22 by 22 by 7 cm baking pan. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you open the kitchen towel and sprinkle the dough with breadcrumbs. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 30 minutes. Okay, the beautiful buns is ready now and let it cool first. This is soft and fluffy buns. I usually eat this for my breakfast. I cut in the middle and add margarine or butter. Really delicious. You see, really nice. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like, share my video and leave your comment. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.